Chicken tikka pizza recipe. Special and delicious. Watch till end. Dough preparation. Warm water 1 cup. ADD 1 cup milk. 1 kg maida. 2 tablespoon yeast. 2 eggs. 2 tablespoon sugar. Salt 1/2 tablespoon. Milk powder 2 tablespoon. Bread improver ½ tablespoon. Ghee ½ cup. Knead it well. Give rest for 30 minutes. Breast 1. Lemon juice. Vinegar 1 tablespoon. Soy sauce 1 tablespoon. Chili sauce 1 tablespoon. Chili flakes 1 tablespoon. Chinese salt 1 tablespoon. Turmeric powder 1 tablespoon. Ginger powder ½ tablespoon. Garlic powder 1 tablespoon. Salt according to taste. Red chili powder ½ tablespoon. All 3 to 4 tablespoon. Cooked for 15 to 20 minutes. Add ½ cup water. After 20 minutes. Yummy! Chicken cut into cubes. After 30 minutes. Apply pizza sauce. Apply mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Apply shredded chicken. Apply chicken tikka cubes. Apply capsicum cubes. Apply onion cubes. Apply tomato cubes. Again, cheddar and mozzarella cheese. Apply chili flakes. Apply oregano leaves. Bake it on 200 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, yummy! Apply melted butter. Oh my god, amazing and yummy! Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.